The 10th place is Baluyot. Number 9 is from Western Mindanao State University. 83.59%, Torres Gregorio Jose. Average grade of 83.74, Macadin Joji Serenatas. 7th place is from Ateneo. Ito na. We are going to the 6th place. The 6th place has an average grade of 84.06. He is from University of the Philippines. Quebral Maria Lobelin Joyce Soto. The 5th place, 84.2650. His name is Nicholas Jed Ryan Pexon. The 4th one with an average of 84.28% is Chua Jan Philip Encarnacion. We have the 3rd placer. 84.35%. He is Rojas Gerald Katayong. The 2nd placer garnered an average of 85.54%. She is Aniceto Maria Cristina Santos. The 1st placer garnered an average of 85.77%. His name, Kyle Christian Guerrero Tutor. He is from University of the Philippines.